Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Elixir Smart Classes for Spoken English. So today I'm going to teach you tenses. I have seen so many students, those who are facing problem in tenses, they make grammatical errors and they are unable to frame the sentences. So today I'm going to teach you tenses, okay? So let us start. Let us start with the tenses today. So when we say that, what do you understand by tense? When we say that she is looking tense today or he is looking tense today, what do you mean by that? When we say that today you're looking tense, you are looking very tense today, so it means that he or she is having a tension, you are having a tension in your mind, so that is tension. Tense se bana hamara tension. Okay, so next is tense. We are talking about the tense. What do you understand by tense? Tense means time. Time means samay, samay, kaal. So today we will do the tenses. Okay. So tenses have been divided into three parts, which are those present tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay, so today we shall do all these three: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense means वर्तमान काल, समय, the time which is going on, the time जो चलता है, जो चल रहा है, जो सुबह से चल रहा है. Okay, वर्तमान काल, समय जो चल रहा है. Okay, next is the past tense, that is भूतकाल. भूतकाल means the समय, the time which has been passed, which has been buried in the past, which has been which has passed away. जो चला गया है वो दोबारा से रिवाइव नहीं होगा, which can't be revived again. Okay, समय जो एक बार चला गया वो दोबारा से वापस नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, that is past tense, that is भूतकाल, भविष्य, that is भूतकाल था. Okay, next is the future tense, that is भविष्यत काल. भविष्यत काल मीन्स होगा. सब हम इसमें विल शैल ले लेते हैं. जो चीज होगी, अब होगी उसमें द टाइम विच इज अनप्रिडिक्टेबल, द टाइम विच yet to come, the time we are unknown about the moment, what is going to be happen at the next moment. क्या होने वाला है, that is unpredictable, that we are unable to know about the particular time which is going to be happen in the next coming moment. Okay, so that is future tense, भविष्यत काल. ठीक है, so today we shall start with the present tense only. So this much you have understood. So now today we shall start with the present tense, and before understanding about the present tense, before proceeding next in this present tense, I must make you clear about the forms, which has a big role in the tenses. And let me first make you clear about the persons that we have, and it has a use in the present indefinite tense. Okay, so first person, which is the first person? Which is the first person? First person is I and we. Second person is you, and third person he, she, it, and plural they. Okay, so one must know all these persons: first person I, we, second person you, and third person he, she, it, and plural they. Okay, so because the tenses it has a role in the present indefinite tense. Okay, as we have to use make use of the s or es with the verbs. Okay, so next I'm going to teach you actually there are three forms of the verbs, and it has a biggest role in the tenses, as because we have to use, or we use the forms. Okay, first form, second form, the third form. Okay, so let us do with the forms. Three forms of the verbs. Okay, so let us take any action verb. As you know, what do you understand by a verb? Verb means which has an activity, which has an action in it. Okay, ऐसा word which जो कि action दिखाता है, show करता है, कोई activity show करता है, that is known as a action verb. So let us take any action verb. Say we take eat, eat, ate, eaten. Okay, so ये इसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? फर्स्ट फॉर्म भी कहते हैं इसको हम लोग फर्स्ट फॉर्म भी कहते हैं. ओके, इसको हम लोग बेस फॉर्म भी कहते हैं और एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज प्रेजेंट. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट इज सेकेंड फॉर्म एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज पास्ट. ठीक है, इसको पास्ट भी कहते हैं एंड दिस इज नोन एज थर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, थर्ड फॉर्म and it is also known as past participle. Okay, say we have so many other words. We can take so many other action verbs. Say for example we take sing, sang, sunk. और अगर आप देखेंगे तो बेटे एक और फॉर्म है जो मैं आपको करा दूंगी इसमें. जैसे ईट, एट, ईटन और एक ईटिंग हो जाता है हमारे पास. And then sing, sang, sung, then is singing. Okay, then we can take another word that is dance, dance, danced, danced, dancing. Okay, ये जो ing वाली forms है इनको हम बोलते हैं present participle. क्या कहते हैं हम इनको? It is called as present participle. Okay, another word, let us take look, looked, looked, looking. Then is cook, cooked, cooked, cooking. Okay beta, now this much you have understood about three forms of the word, because actually I have taught you this. I have started with this three forms of the verb only to make you clear about these forms, as it has the biggest role in in the tenses. Okay, so this all you have understood about these forms. So we have numerous forms, we have numerous such forms that we use, and these are the action verbs, and these are the second form of the word, and this is the third form of the word, and this is the इसको कहते हैं present participle. Okay, so I want to make one more thing clear. If I'm teaching you these forms, I want to make one more thing clear, as I want to make you clear about the regular verbs. Say you see the verbs, these are the action verbs and having the similar forms. Say dance, danced, danced, look, looked, looked, cook, cooked, cooked. These are the, as you see that usually we have second form and third form are the similar. Okay, having ed at the end. Usually we see ed at the end, ed at the end, ed at the end. Dance, danced, danced, look, looked, looked, ed, then cook, cooked, cooked. So these forms, these verbs are called as the regular verbs. What are these? Called as regular verbs. Okay, so now we see sing, sang, sung. It is different. Sang is different, sung is different. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat is different, ate is different, eaten is different. Such verbs are known as irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. So is that clear to you all? I wanted to make you clear about these verbs, irregular verbs, and as well as the irregular verbs, and I have made you clear about these forms. And first form is also known as base form and also present. Second form is also known as past, and third form is past participle, and fourth form is known as present participle. And next form I shall be teaching you in the present indefinite tense. Okay, I have today made you clear about the persons: first person I, we, second person you, and third person he, she, it, and the plural they. Okay, this all clear to you beta? So in my next video I shall be starting with the present indefinite. So this much is for today itself, and I hope that you all will make practice and learning about all these forms, and understanding about these first person, second person, and third person. Okay, I hope that you would like my video, and if you like my video, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also click the bell icon so that any new notification will come. Any if I should be posting another new video, that you will get that video. Okay, very soon. In my next video, I should be starting with the present indefinite. Thank you so much, beta. Bye, Buche.